Password resets, unlocks, and support changes should not disappear into manual Active Directory work. SmartPT AD Control keeps those actions visible. Jim starts in AD Control settings. The Auditor email setting defines where reset and unlock notifications can be sent when email delivery is configured. The same settings page controls SMTP delivery and which reset or unlock methods are allowed. This keeps notification and verification policy close to the workflow. Sarah signs in as a Help Desk Tier 1 operator and opens AVI. A direct password reset records the operator, the target user, and the reason. Next, Sarah unlocks AVI through AD Control. Unlock activity follows the same controlled path and can notify the auditor when mail settings are active. Back in SmartPT Core, recent activity shows the AD Control actions from the product portal. The administrator can review who acted, which product was used, and what changed. This is the operational value of AD Control auditability. Support actions remain delegated, protected identities stay governed, and activity is visible after the work is done.